Brother, sister, I say this humbly for not to be a pulling or trying to get sympathy. The clothes that I have is the clothes people gives me. The suit I got on, Brother Moore is with me, and I got it 4 years ago in Sweden. Pair of shoes, my wife bought it for me. I got another suit over there, it was given to me in Florida. Another one I got in Finland. 2 I got in Germany, or not Germany, but Africa. That's where the clothes comes from. It's what people give me. Some of them's hand-me-downs. That's true. I got a suit from California about 5 years ago and been wearing it ever since. And it is about 6, 7 years old when I got it. But what is it? It's good enough. He didn't even have but one garment and barred somebody's grave to be laid in. I could have been pretty well off if I took all the money people to offer me, but I want to be just as poor as those who come to be prayed for. We're fellow citizens of the kingdom of God. I'm not saying that just to be saying. I'm saying it because I want you to know, friends, that the kingdom of God does not consist of richness or fine clothes. It's a submitted heart to God. It's where God works.